Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Gladys. Now, if you always come back to watch my videos with a grateful heart, I am saying thank you, all right? But if this is your first time coming across my channel, I am sending you a big hug saying welcome. So here on this channel, I basically talk about money, online side hustles that will help you earn money from the comfort of your home or anywhere you are, just with the use of your smartphone and internet connection. I also share with you ways that you can invest your money and grow it over time. Okay? Doesn't that sound great? So, if this is what you're interested in and you would like to be seeing more content from me, please do well to hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification, and also like this video. All right, as you can see, it's a new channel and baby girl needs to grow. Okay, so please do well to support my channel by subscribing. All right, thank you so much, even as you do. So quickly today we're going to drop the daily cipher for hamster combat. All right, it's been going on for a while now, and that reminds me, if you're not yet on the hamster combat, I mean, who is still remaining out there that has not joined? But just in case you have not joined the hamster combat, please do well to join. I'll be dropping the link in the description section of this video. Okay, so quickly, today's daily cipher is what we're going to be unlocking. So if you've not seen my other video on how to change the screen, this screen that you're seeing right now, to the daily cipher, please just check the channel. I don't have too many videos already, so it's easy to find. Check the channel, you will see the video on how I did all of that. Okay, so this is how the daily cipher screen is looking like. All right, here you see it written daily cipher. So the first letter we're going to be doing, or we're going to be cracking, is W. Yep. All right, so we're going to be unlocking W. All right, so I'll just quickly do that. Okay, so our first letter is out. So the next letter we're going to be doing is A. All right, and our A is out. The next letter is L. All right, and our L is out. The next letter again is L, like we're going to repeat L twice. All right, and the second L is also out. The next letter we'll do is E, and that's our E. And the last letter is, you can already guess from the spelling, the last letter is T. Yay, wallet. So that is the word for today. All right, so we're just going to tap on take the prize, and yeah, just gained 1 million free coins. So here is the combo for today. All right, so if this video was helpful to you, you know what to do. Please hit on the subscribe button, like I am begging. Hit on the subscribe button. Also like this video, it helps me a lot. It also helps others who will be needing this video to unlock their hamster daily cipher as well. So thank you for watching my video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.